KOLD News 13 Now Weather is sponsored by Northwest Medical Center. Healthy Woman Anniversary, February 28th.
Live, local, late breaking. This is your First Alert Forecast.
Hey there, I'm Chuck George. We've still got sports with Damian Alameda coming up, and of course more news with Heather and Dan tonight. Thanks for joining us for KOLD News 13 live at 10. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so hold on to your headboard tonight as we get started. Here's the forecast for tonight. Not quite as cold, but still a very chilly morning for you and the kids. Down in the middle 30s tomorrow morning, up in the middle 60s for highs tomorrow. Tomorrow about the same as we were today. Then by Friday, our warming trend will really accelerate. Actually, I moved that up to Thursday now. It's 46 in Tucson. Our dew point is 19 degrees tonight, which is really low, which means your lips are going to get a little chapped, your hands dry, that good stuff. Here's an area of low pressure. It's still pushing energy into the Pacific Northwest and into British Columbia and Alaska. This area of low pressure is the last major one that I see on the maps for a long time. This will keep us from warming up tomorrow. However, after that, when it finally passes by us is when we're really going to warm up. It's actually fairly weak. If you look in Seattle and Portland area, we're talking about almost no rainfall in the valleys there. So it's not a super strong storm, just enough to keep our warming trend at bay. Down south of us, the Sonoran sky is obscured by clouds. However, if we look at the cloud cast, we're not talking about many of those making it up here all the way through Friday. But regardless of clouds, we have got a super Saturday on the way. How super are we talking? Well, an area of high pressure will build in from the Pacific. Watch this bubble northward in the pressure map. That is called a ridge of high pressure, and it means weather. So let's focus on Saturday really quickly. Check it out. Wilcox 73, Douglas will be 68, 75 in Benson, and 68 in Sierra Vista. Beautiful weather to get outside and enjoy your Saturday. Down in Santa Cruz County, Sonoyta and the Vineyards, 68 degrees. Tubac will be 74, and so will Nogales. Meanwhile, in Pima County, here's a look at us. We're looking at low 80s out west and in Tucson, actually, 74 for you in Green Valley. Whatever you've got planned this Saturday, the wind should be fairly light, and we're going to have nice warm temperatures in the afternoon. It's anything but warm in the Great Lakes tonight. Chicago, what a mess. We're going to put the maps in motion. They've got a bit of a break from the snow right now, but tomorrow they'll have more of it. Actually, lake effect snow will come in on them tomorrow on the backside of the storm. New video that's just wet the snow is. If you look, the street, when the bus goes by, the street is not snow covered, and the umbrellas are wet more than holding the snow. It's 34 degrees in Chicago, so again, it's not sticking right now, but that will change by tomorrow. Keeping it local, overnight lows still cold in Douglas, 25. You know, you were the warmest spot in southeast Arizona today for daytime high. However, this morning it got down in the 20s again. 62 will be your high tomorrow in Douglas. Down to 34 in Vail tonight, up to 67 in 3 Points, and upper 60s out west in Ajo. Here in the city, in the metro, I should say, 35 in the OV, 33 in Sahuarita, middle 60s for highs, about like we were today. But here comes the real warming trend. I showed you the Saturday forecast specifically for your county. Well, here we go, up on Friday, up to 72 by then, and then 80 degrees Saturday and Sunday. Just downright gorgeous weather on the way. And look at the next cool down, which is next Monday. Now we're calling a cool down dropping to the mid 70s. That's more like it.
Yes, that's the cool down.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. Thanks, Chuck.
You bet, guys.
Well, this is absolutely terrifying to watch. A hot air balloon carrying sightseers on a sunrise flight over Egypt. And this is new video caught by a witness showing the balloon bursting into flames and plummeting about 1,000 feet to the ground. And this is all while tourists were